Right here, this raised bed is where it all started with about, I don't know, 5 or 6 strawberry plants 3 or 4 years ago. And look what's happened. They send running shoots out, and first I planted in the bed, so that you keep the plants new and fresh because the old berries don't produce. But then look, they send runners over into the wood chips below. And look at all the strawberry plants I have below, never ending. And I got all of those pots full of plants from this area, and I used these ones. You just pull them right out of the ground and plant them in the pipe. So it's really easy. They pop right out pretty easily, especially growing in chips. There isn't a whole lot holding them in, but they love growing in wood chips with some nice dirt underneath. And they produce like crazy. Like, look at all these blossoms. And you can tell the strawberries that produce the really big berries, they have nice big centers. The bigger the center, the bigger the berry's gonna be. At least that's how it is. Just like really big tomatoes, the blossoms that are huge, that's what makes a big tomato. Look at these here. Let's find some big ones. There's a good size one.